We came at last to what is known as the North Sentinel Island. Although some expeditions had landed here, the Sentinelese had never been sighted. We left gifts of coconuts, knives, lengths of cloth, a pig, products of the plastic age. We withdrew and waited, but no one came. We stayed wide awake, for the sleeping hand fashions no pictures, the tired eye sees no clarity. What are those moving shapes? Are they human? At last, the first glimpse of the Sentinelese. Is this a first step towards understanding a tribe never before seen by outside eyes? This tribe believes in total isolation. It will not tolerate a stranger. We were prevented from approaching the shore. In his dream, the hunter's triumphant spear gouges the eye of the moon, and when he wakes, the victim is his love. A member of our film unit was wounded by one of the many arrows, each 2.5 meters long. He will carry this scar till his death. But has this experience helped us to understand the nature of primitive man, or of modern man? The Sentinelese don't want to have anything to do with us. Are they right? Is the Stone Age preferable to the nuclear age? These ineffective arrows and spears, do they not convey some message from the past, which intellectual man has perhaps forgotten? There is the sky and there is man. We have begun to understand the nature of the moon and of Mars and other planets. But have we begun to understand our own impulses? This is a story with a lot of mystery, and in many ways our expedition has failed. Only succeeding generations may find the answers we seek. Until then, perhaps we have no choice but to leave it all to the islands, the oceans, and the currents of time.
The contact party under the administration is always accompanied by security. The arrow-shooting Sentinelese are a constant fear. It is yet to be discovered what the residents of North Sentinel Island call themselves. They have been indexed as contacted Sentinelese. Gifts of coconuts are means to overcome limited communication and uncertain vocabulary. Coconuts do not grow on these islands, but they are valued by the Sentinelese.
Showing the genital.
That is always there.
That is what? That is angry or?
No, they are not angry. Laha.
They're dancing.
That is one of the Laha! 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 Dag! Dag! Miguel! Dag! Please try to protect any moment they can come. Dag! Laha! Laha! Dag! Dag! Laha! Dag!
Daga means coconut. Laha means come here. These words are familiar to the Jarawa tribe. We do not know if the Sentinelese understand it.
Why you are moving now? कोई घुमाना नहीं है घुमाइए मार इसको पीछे ले जाते थोड़ा रेडी दोस्तों
Daga, ini nak tanam apa juga ke? Dia ada kota loh.
estimated 90 Sentinelese continue to live as hunters and gatherers, solely dependent on food provided by nature.
The Sentinelese had a very mixed reaction towards us. In the first place, they cheerily waited us on the shore and they indicated their presence by walking down towards the beaches and then disappear. They are a very lively people who prefer to live in isolation away from the mainstream of life.